Hey everyone, it's JM here, your physiotherapist. Today, we'll talk about something that can transform the way you approach fitness. How to find joy in exercise. Yes, joy. Because working out shouldn't feel like a chore. It should feel like an opportunity to have fun and celebrate your body. First things first, choose an activity you love. It doesn't have to be traditional exercise. Dancing, gardening, hiking, swimming. Anything that gets you moving counts. The best workout is the one you actually enjoy doing because that's the one you'll stick with. Next, focus on how exercise makes you feel rather than how it makes you look. Pay attention to the boost in energy, the stress relief, and that sense of accomplishment you get after moving your body. These feelings are your biggest motivators. Tip 3, make it social. Invite a friend to join you for a walk, take a group fitness class, or join a local sports club. Sharing the experience with others makes it more enjoyable and keeps you accountable. Another great way to find joy? Turn up your favorite playlist. Music has a magical way of making any workout feel like a party. Try it. Put on a song you love and move however feels good to you. Here's another tip. Celebrate small wins, whether it's holding a stretch for a few extra seconds, taking a longer walk, or just showing up for yourself. Acknowledge those victories. They're proof of your progress and something to feel proud of. Remember, movement is a gift, not a punishment. It's your chance to connect with your body and enjoy all the amazing things it can do. When you shift your mindset from "I have to work out" to "I get to move," everything changes. So, what's your joy-filled movement going to be today? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to make exercise fun and rewarding. See you next time.